Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add CC to your Instagram reel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go and want to open up the Instagram application. So if you do not already have the application, you want to go to the App Store and download it. So after downloading your application for yourself, you can go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up, you can go ahead and log into your account. So we will need to log into our account from which we want to upload the Instagram Reels and where we want to add the CC. So once you have logged in, now it's going to look like this. This is going to be our main page, and now we can get started uploading our Reels. So right here at the bottom of the page, we're going to have a plus sign, and by clicking this plus button in the middle of the page, this is going to enable us to add and select the video that we want to upload as a reel. So you can go ahead and tap that, and after selecting the video from your gallery, now it's going to open it up in the reel mode right here where we can get started editing it. So basically guys, if you want to add CC to your video in your Instagram reel, it's very easy, and all you have to do is just click the edit video option right here at the bottom left corner. By clicking edit video, it's going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the info that you can go ahead and add. And now we can go ahead and get started by clicking right here. As you can see, by scrolling to the right, there is going to appear an option that says CC captions. So what you can do is click CC captions guys, and now it's going to go ahead and start transcribing the audio. And once it has transcribed the audio guys, it's going to go ahead and put it up right here over your reel, and then you'll be able to add that text to your reel. Once you're satisfied, just click done right here. As you can see, this is now going to go ahead and add the transcription to our video, and now we can get started uploading our reel with the new text over it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.